What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series with an awesome new spray out. As usual, I got my fender prepped up behind me. That can only mean one thing. We're going to two-tone it with awesome Rustoleum colors and shoot a crazy new pearl over top, and then you guys get to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you guys rate it anywhere in between. Drop your comments, and I love to hear them. Anyways, the two colors we're doing today are, first off, Satin Lagoon. It's a really cool blue color, and Midnight Blue. And that's a preview of things to come because we're going to be doing a new sea of color shift pearl called Starry Night. So this is going to shift from I don't even know what. I've said it on some of the past videos and ended up being wrong because these color shifts are sometimes unpredictable. But we're going to find out today. We're going to start two-toning this fender behind me, and then we'll get to spraying some Starry Night pearl and see what we get. Alright guys, so I got my two Rustoleum colors laid down. I think it's going to be really cool with the Sea brand Starry Night color shift pearl today. I'm using the Speedo Coat 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator. It's about 75 degrees. I got it in the cup already. It's 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of activator. That's 5 ounces total. And we're going to jump into the Starry Night pearl. Now, right away when I open it, it looks like a more familiar Galaxy style pigment. I see a lot of pinks, but I also see a lot of greens, blues, hues of that nature. As with the theme that's been on the program here lately, I'm going to try 3/4 of a teaspoon into the mix, and I'm going to show you guys this up close in the mix. Alright guys, so here it is, Starry Night Pearl. As you can see, it's got all kinds of shifting capabilities. Pinks, greens, blues, a little bit of everything. Here it is in the mix, and let's get to stirring. And as I predicted, yep, it's got an assortment of colors. Very much like a Galaxy style color shift, but this one's called Starry Night. So I think it's going to be very interesting today, especially over these two blue colors. I think that's going to make for a really cool effect. And yeah, let's load up our VEVOR gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I'm shooting this Starry Night Pearl with my VEVOR gun today, 1.4 tip. We shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger. If you decide to replicate the settings, spray a light coat first, make sure you don't get no reactions. Do 2 or 3 follow-up coats depending on how much you got. And I'm going to take this test panel outside so we can see what it looks like out in the sun. So I'm going to put my mask on, let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so Starry Night Color Shift. Now this is an interesting one. Man, you got blues, you got greens, and at certain angles, if you catch it just right, you got purples and even pinks. That's over the midnight blue. And then moving over here, man, it really made this lagoon look like a crazy aqua color. But look at that. You see pinks when it hits the light just right. Man, it's a really subtle shift, but a really cool shift. I like this one, guys. What do you think? Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. A really cool Starry Night Color Shift over Satin Lagoon and Midnight Blue Satin. Now these are both satin, but obviously when you add a gloss clear over top, you get gloss. But all in all, I think it turned out pretty cool today, and it gives me some unique ideas of what I could do in the future with this color. But ultimately, it's not up to me, it's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5 is the greatest thing you've ever seen, and rate it anywhere in between. If you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button, drop me a like and comment, let me know what you thought of today's video. And if you want to buy this pearl, if you want to buy the clear, the gun, anything I use in this video, links will be in the description. And if you don't find it there, click Ask See on YouTube, takes you to my Amazon store, you can find it there. We get a small kickback, but it costs you guys nothing extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. But I had a lot of fun with you guys today doing this spray out. I hope you join me for the next one. And as always, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next spray out.